If you're like me and you spend a lot of time on YouTube, when you spend a lot of time on YouTube, you know there are a bunch of YouTube people that post videos every day. Have you ever wondered why people post videos every day? Well, there's a lot of money that can be made on YouTube. There are thousands of YouTubers who can make a comfortable living by posting videos online. YouTubers can make up to thousands of dollars from the YouTube ads in every video. And you can also make money on YouTube as well, and in this video I'm going to show you how. If you are worried that you won't have any content to make videos, well, today's video will show you how to make videos with content that people will actually need. There's a really simple method that you can use to create content for your video. But before we start, hey guys, and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be the first to know and you can start to make things happen. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you ever have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, this is a great way to earn some money because it works no matter where you are in the world. So if you're from Thailand, Chile, India, Malaysia, you'll be able to earn money from YouTube using this method. It won't take too long to make a single video. In fact, the videos can only be a minute or 2 minutes long, so it really will take only a few minutes of your time to make. I know that a lot of people are camera shy and don't want to show their face, and that's okay. You can still earn money without actually showing your face on YouTube. Earning money through YouTube is a great opportunity that anyone can use to earn some money. It is important to note, however, that this method will require you to use either an Android or iOS device. If you are unable to use Android or iOS device and you can only use a desktop or laptop, you can always use Android emulators, such as BlueStacks or any other Android emulator that you can find. Now, I am very curious which device you guys prefer and which device are you using to watch this video right now. Personally, I like using my Android phone when watching YouTube videos because it's very portable and I can move around without pausing the video. This method will work for both Android and iOS device, but for this video I'll be using an Android device. If you're an iOS device, just follow along with the iOS version. So first, you'll need to download the screen recording app. To do so, just open up Google Play Store and search for screen recording. This is going to give you thousands of apps which you can download free of charge. And you can choose any one of these apps. And if for any reason you don't like the app that you're using, you can always choose another app. So just install the app of your choice for this video. I'm going to pick this one right here. Now that you have downloaded the screen recording app, what you will need next is content to film. Now, the content that you will be making will not involve showing your face, so you don't have to be worried about that. What you want to do first is select an app that you want the video to be about. I recommend using an app used by a lot of people and an app you are familiar with. For example, I use Messenger because almost everybody now uses Messenger to chat with their friends. So for the content, you'll want to find the features of an app that not many people know about. So to find the secret features, you can go onto Google and search for something like Messenger Secrets or something similar. And as you can see, here are several secret features that not a lot of people know about. So take for example this one. There are 10 things you didn't know you could do with Facebook Messenger. Now, you can choose some features that you didn't know about Messenger. If you follow the steps on this website, you can make a short screen recording showing how to use that feature. Now, what you need to do is find a thumbnail for your video. If you want, you can use your own video thumbnails using any photo editing software. But if you're not familiar with any photo editing software, I have a method to make great thumbnails for your YouTube videos. Now, before we continue on with the video, I'm curious to know what country are you guys watching from right now? Leave a comment down below as to what country you are watching from so that I will know where my viewers are coming from. Leave a like on this video, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video with a new money-making method that will help you increase your income. So the website that we will use to make video thumbnails is canva.com. Now, if you're not familiar with Canva is a website where you can make posters, infographics, and many others. There are several thousand templates that you can choose from, and you can even edit these templates to make them fit your tastes. What you can do is search for YouTube thumbnails now. This will give you a ton of templates that you can use. All of those templates can be used for free, so choose the one that you like for now. For this video, I will pick this template. Now, just click on the template that you want to use and now you can edit it. You can customize everything on this template, so you can get really creative. But if you don't want to do much work, you can also just change the text and the photo on the template to fit the video that you recorded earlier. Now, I'm using the Messenger app as an example, so let's say that I made a video that shows how to send a message through a private conversation on Messenger. So the title can be How to Send Secret Messages on Messenger. Then I can change the photo to something that is related to the app. If I go in Google and search Messenger and head to the image section, you'll see that there are a bunch of images that I can use. So let's say I want to use this image. Just download the image, and once it is done downloading, you can simply drag the image onto Canva, and then you can make some adjustments to make it fit. And you have your thumbnail. All you have to do now is download the thumbnail so that you can use it later on your video. But wait, before we continue this video, I would like to tell you guys that we post videos every single day on how to make money online on this channel, EarnPal. The honest goal of this channel is to help you guys learn how to create a stream of online income. I put a lot of effort into these videos to make sure that each and every one of these methods work. So I would really appreciate it if you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell. And don't forget to smash the like button and leave a comment down below. Now let's get back into the video. The final step is to upload the video to YouTube. If you have never done this before, it is really simple. You want to create a YouTube channel. To do this, you can create a new email using Gmail, and that account will automatically have a YouTube account attached to it. I recommend that you use a different Gmail account from your main email account so that the Gmail will be only for YouTube matters. Now, doing this will make sure that all the emails that are sent to this account are only notifications for your YouTube account. Your inbox for this account will be cluttered with emails from all your social media accounts, other websites, notifications, and all other random emails. To create a new Gmail, just open up Google and click on the Create New Account. Just fill in the required details to sign up. So if you log in using your Gmail account, you'll find that you have a YouTube channel as well. Before you upload any videos to your channel, you want to create a profile picture and a header for your account. You can use any photos you want for the display photo, but I recommend you find a photo related to apps since it is related to the videos you will make. You can use Canva again for these images if you want to make a custom graphic for your display photo. Now, to upload on YouTube, just click on this button on the top right corner of the YouTube homepage. Select the file and give your video the same title as you use in your thumbnail. For the description, you can simply put what you're doing in the video. You can also copy and paste the instructions from the website that you used earlier and change it a little. So to optimize the tags section, you want to add as many relevant tags as you can so that whenever someone will search for something related to your video, then your video will come up. It is very important to make sure that all of the keywords are related to what you are doing in the video. So for example, I can add the tags how to messenger, secret message, private conversations, and many others. Again, you want to add as many as you can because the more tags you have, the more likely that YouTube will display your video. Next, click on the upload thumbnail button and select the thumbnail that was made on Canva. Check that yes, it was made for kids. Hit next to upload the video. Now, if you do this process every day, your YouTube account will be eligible to get monetized, and then you will be able to earn money. Now, all you have to do is start creating YouTube videos and watch as you get more and more money. And that is the end of this video today. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you will be notified when we post new content on this channel. And don't forget to smash that like button and leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video.